Hey, let me show you the best features of the Redmi Note 13 Pro. And first of all, let's move into the settings and open Wi-Fi settings. And now, when you are using the Wi-Fi network and mobile data, you can use the network acceleration. So now, when you enable this function with this feature, you can use mobile data to boost speed of your connection. Next, we'll have to navigate into the connection and the sharing. And in this device, we can find the NFC. So it means that with the smartphone, we can actually pay. And right here below, we can actually set the default payment application. So in my case, I'm using actually the Google Pay. Next, when we are in this connection and the sharing, we can cast the screen of our smartphone to TV by using this function, the wireless display. So when you turn it on, then turn on the Wi-Fi, you will be able to find your TV or any wireless display and simply connect and watch your, for example, games or your photos on the bigger screen. Also, when you are here, I can highly recommend you to go for the cast, then move to the demos, and we can enable the game turbo. So this function actually speeds up our device, especially when we are playing games. Next, when you open the display section, we can enable 120 Hz refresh rate, so we can get the default one, or set it manually and force to get always the 120 Hz, but also you can pick specific application to use this refresh rate. For example, you can set it for games. Next, we'll have to scroll down and we have to navigate into the additional settings where we can find the memory extension. So we can switch from 4, 6 to even 8 additional gigs of the RAM. When you select one of the following function, we'll have to reboot our device. Next, we can also find the heart rate measurement by putting our finger on the fingerprint scanner. We'll actually get a result. And I was checking how accurate is actually the sensor. So I was checking the resting heart rate and it shows me the same result like on the Apple Watch. So we can say that it's actually reliable. And that's basically it. For me, actually, this is the best features that you can find on the Redmi Note 13 Pro. Oh, I just forget about one thing. So right here we can find the 200 megapixel camera mode. So if you want to take photos with a lot of pictures, I can highly recommend you to use this mode. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.